Hey, what's up? My name's Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to do this gorgeous everyday makeup look. I am over 30. This is super easy to do. I'm on my way to work actually, so I think this is a perfect makeup look for that. You don't need many brushes or anything like that. Most of the products you can get at Ulta, Walmart, Walgreens. Surprisingly, super nice. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to do for yourself, then definitely keep watching. And without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. Okay, so today I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Fluff in the color Deep Brown. It's almost black, and because my hair is almost black, I think it'll look good. Ulta Beauty Soft Blur Primer, just put that all over my face. I do find it helps my makeup go on a lot smoother, which is nice. Okay, and today I'm going to use the Fenty Skin Tint in the number 13. I think it works beautifully. It goes on really smooth. Rihanna definitely did that with this. And typically I would use a makeup brush, but I just washed them all because I'm going on a trip and I don't want to use it before I go on the trip, so I'm just going to blend it out here. And I'll probably need to use more than one, put it on more than once. And I'm going to like, just the settings, just so you can see a little better. Now I'm going to apply this Maybelline Eraser color multi-use, or corrector multi-usage in the color 122. Sometimes like drugstore makeup like this, Old Faithfuls, it's like it works good enough. It works good enough. That's what this is. And I'm just gonna press that in with my finger first and then go on with the sponge, because I washed my makeup brushes yesterday and I want to be able to use them fresh for a trip I'm going on, so I want to keep them clean. So these are not usually the I wouldn't always use my fingers, but to me it works just, it does work. But if you're someone that gets oily, definitely try to use a brush. I've really been loving this Maybelline, what do we call this? Maybelline Sun Kisser blush. This stuff is so good. I'm using like the bronzer type. This is in the color 11, Electric Bronze. I've been obsessed with the liquid bronzer lately. It's something like, I'm like, why didn't I always use this type thing? It just makes it super easy to blend in, because I'm someone, I don't like to take a lot of time to like do the detail work of my makeup. I just like to blend it in. Lazy with my makeup like that. So this is really nice. So this brush I don't use every day, so I use this, but yeah, just press it where you want it to go and then swipe up. See, I didn't press it in, I just started swiping up. And then yeah, for your hairline, push back towards your hairline versus like going towards your forehead. For my cheeks, I'm using the Maybelline Sun Kisser blush in the color 01. And then I've been applying my blush at like the balls of my cheek. Yeah, so just smile, figure out where the ball of your cheek is, and then just like pushing the excess up. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:30.
Okay. Alright, lastly I'm using this Neutrogena powder. It's a translucent setting powder with Hydro Boost. It supposedly has hyaluronic acid in there. And then get under the nose. That's like the one area where I definitely have some pretty extreme hyperpigmentation. Or I don't even know if it's hyperpigmentation. Should I be saying that? It's kind of like the area where my skin is discolored. So yeah, I think it's hyperpigmentation. For some reason that area probably gets burned a lot, even though I wear sunscreen every day. Who knows? Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna put that on, let it sit for a second, and then I'm gonna apply some mascara. Today I'm gonna use the, that reminds me, where's my cute yellow one? I just got a new mascara I wanted to use, so I'm gonna use this one instead, this Maybelline. And I am gonna blow dry the brush, or the clamp. Okay, so I'm gonna You don't need a Dyson for that. Okay. And just clamp your eyelid. Okay. Then take your mascara. Don't put too much on your brush. Like, wipe off any excess big clumps. If you see it on the bristles, that means it's just gonna go right on your lash, and that's not ideal because me personally, I like to separate my lashes a bit first if I can. These lips look so bad. But they'll look good when they're done. That's the one nice thing about lip stain. It doesn't go on perfect, but it doesn't matter because that's one good thing about lip stain, because it goes on like imperfect and looks a little crazy, but it's very fixable. Oh, and my camera of course is about to die. Okay, that's on. I'm gonna change my battery and then I will come back with the finished look. Okay, yeah, let's take this off. I have like 5 minutes before I gotta get dressed and head to the train. Okay, take a big brush, just quickly press that in. I'm very rough with my face. I need to be softer. Because you think about it, like when you get your makeup done by a professional, they're always super dainty because they're layering the product, not pushing the product. Okay, yeah, this is the final look. I will add, well, almost. I'll put some mascara on. Or not mascara, I'll put some okay. Alright, I'm gonna apply some gloss. I'm just gonna use whatever I have up here. If I have one. Okay, I only have this handy, so I'm gonna use this NYX Fat Oil in Lip Drip. Okay. Oh, spray your face if you want. I'm going to use this Morphe setting spray. And then I'm adding a little bit of this Juvia's Place Pink Bay in the middle. This stuff's super potent. I don't really love the color, but my husband got it for me when he was like at Ulta picking something up for me, so yeah. I'm being rough. Alright, this is the final look. You can see super natural, doesn't really look like you're wearing much makeup, and that's the goal of this makeup look because I'm going to work. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know you want to see more makeup content from me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye! Hey, what's up? My name is Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful makeup look. It is super easy to do. Most things you can get at like a Walgreens, Walmart, Ulta, all of those places. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to do, you want a really easy, natural makeup look for every day that's very beginner friendly. Like most of the products you don't even need like makeup brushes to use. So I love that. And yeah, I guess like without further ado, let's get started. Let's jump into the video. Let's go.